If you think continuing your education is financially out of reach, think again. Think Providence College. PC School of Continuing Education is just the ticket to boost your career, and it's surprisingly affordable. You can study part-time, evenings, and online, which is great for working adults.
I didn't think finishing college was possible, never mind affordable. Thanks, PC.
Classes are small, advisors are really helpful, and you can transfer up to 75 credits.
Being able to easily transfer my credits to PC gave me a head start.
Just run the numbers on our handy ROE, that's Return on Education calculator, and see for yourself.
Once I calculated my return on education, I got myself back to class and my life back on track.
Just do the math and you can make it happen too at PC School of Continuing Education.
You've waited long enough.
Affordability is at your fingertips. Calculate your ROE now.